Welcome to this demonstration of the Form I-9 and E-Verify app within Servicenow. This is an application by Form I-9 Compliance that allows you to complete the I-9 within the Servicenow platform, regardless of the size of the enterprise. From the applicant perspective, on the candidate side, once you request onboarding, they will see this complete Form I-9 task within their to-do list. Once they click on the link, they'll be presented with Section 1 of the Form I-9, where they can go through and complete very quickly. So I'll just go through that process now. Once they've entered information in the first part of Section 1, they'll then select their citizenship status, and then they're ready to sign electronically. Once they sign electronically, they are done with Section 1 and ready to show up on day 1 of employment with their documents. We can customize this page here where they can click on another link to see the list of acceptable documents or whatever custom language you would prefer here. And on their side, they will then see that that task is complete. Once you download the app, if you enter Form I-9 in the navigator, you'll see the options here. So if we go to onboarding cases, we can now see the record that we need to proceed with. So we're going to open up that HR Lifecycle Events case. And if we go on the I-9 and E-Verify tab, we'll see what our next action is for the I-9. It's sign Section 2. So I'll click on the URL to open that record. We're going to see that David Cook has already completed Section 1 of the I-9. Now we'll go through and complete Section 2 based upon the documents David provides to us. In this example, he's going to provide an ID card, and this information will pop up, just allows us to know that since we are participating in E-Verify, the List B document must contain a photo. That's an E-Verify requirement. We're going to go through and enter the information here. And for List C, we'll use a driver's license. There is validation throughout the form to ensure information is completed correctly. And we'll say we're an authorized rep. And the name of the individual completing Section 2. We're now ready to sign Section 2 of the I-9 and complete the I-9. We're now automatically going to submit E-Verify based upon the information in the I-9. You're going to see the statuses change within the lifecycle event case. So now the next action is no longer I-9 or sign Section 2, it's E-Verify. This URL will always lead back to the record. In this case, we're using the staging environment for E-Verify, so it recognizes we've used this social security number before, and it's going to provide a duplicate case indicator. In production, you will very rarely see this because typically the social security number is going to be unique. So 95% of the time, depending on industry, you will immediately see an employment authorized, and if it's a tentative non-confirmation, you would see that and proceed through the appropriate steps there. The system will guide you through and provide instructions. So we'll go through, we're going to close this case out. We can also set it up to close automatically for cases that are employment authorized. So we close this case. It is the employment continues to work for the employer after receiving an employment authorized result. We have a unique case number from E-Verify. We can toggle back and forth between the I-9 and the E-Verify case. You can upload documents for E-Verify on the I-9. You can do Section 3 updates. You can also add notifications. You can print PDFs of the records, whatever you'd like. And back within the lifecycle events case, you can see that now the next action indicates none. It provides the status of the E-Verify case. And it's just that simple. That's all there is to it. We look forward to having you join the team and start using the service. Please reach out to us with any questions you might have. Thanks. Bye.